short amount of time.
Yes, you can't prepare for that.
No. Thank you, Kelly.
Thank you, Kelly. Well, the garage doors are opening up tomorrow at the AutoMotorPlex in Medina.
This is quite the place. It's your chance to see some of the Midwest's most impressive vehicles and super garages that they are kept in, of course. Shane Wells is revving it up with some caffeine and octane.
The garages at the Medina AutoMotorPlex are quite a bit different than the ones most of us have at our house. For one, you can tell it's bigger, but when you see what's inside, you'll understand. Dave Kliss is one of the private garage owners. What do you call it?
I call it a garando.
A garando,
Which is garage condo.
I love that. Do you want to do the reveal?
Sure, here we go.
Here it is. Okay, as it's coming up, why don't you tell us your inspiration?
Okay.
This is quite
Well,
impressive.
actually, when I was a kid, or teenager, I worked at Highway 100 Shell, and after that I worked at University Avenue Shell. So as we bought this garage, and there was nothing here at the time, we decided,
just an empty space.
yeah,
right?
my wife had the idea to buy me a Shell gas pump. That gas pump that's over there, that's about a 1960 Shell gas pump. So then we designed the whole garage around that gas pump. So this is like my Shell station, and you can see I got a air pump, I've got a Coca-Cola machine.
Is there any Coke in there? Do you actually stock
the
it?
bottles are too small now, but I've converted it to cans.
Okay.
But at 10 cents a can, I'll go broke. It does work.
I'll go broke. That's why you gotta put the price on there. What's upstairs?
Upstairs is a full living room, kitchen, bathroom, shower. This is...
Why do you ever have to go home? I guess you need a bed, right?
You can't have a bedroom here, but...
Okay, because I'm starting to think you could pretty much be happy here.
Yes, and of course I've got my collectible cars.
Oh yeah, those.
Yeah, my 57 Chevy, my 69 Camaro.
We're with Larry Wills, and Larry Wills, you have a very good problem to have, and that's that you have too many cars for your garage.
Or the problem was that I bought too small of a garage.
You got this guy hanging out here. You don't want this one outside?
No, but this is when I drove here today to get to the...
And that's a question I always have for people. Do you actually drive
Oh,
the
yeah.
cars? Because don't you get nervous that someone's going to hit you? Whenever I get a new car, which is very rare, I'm scared to park anywhere near people. I'm scared to drive.
Well, but if that's the point, then you should just be in a museum.
This is why I don't buy nice cars.
No, you want to enjoy the experience of the vehicles, and that's why I own these vehicles. It's not because I want to hold them on a pedestal. I want to enjoy the experience of driving the cars. My first vehicle that I had, or I still have, is a 1976 280 Datsun Z. I've had that car for 43 years.
Do you name your cars?
No, I'm not into that.
Okay.
No.
All right.
But I do enjoy driving the cars. The whole idea is to experience them, and why have them if you don't drive them?
Love it. So if you want to show up, maybe help Larry name his cars, you can do so Saturday 9 to noon right here at the Medina AutoMotorPlex. Back to you.
Yeah, fancy right there.
Very much so. Let's take a look at some moving cars right now.